Okay, I started to record. So,
Okay.
what's your name, please?
Hello, my name is Mike Ausendorf from the Bareos project.
Tell us a little bit about this project. What does it do?
Bareos is a 100% open source backup program. It does backup your computers over the network. This means you can install a client on your Windows, Linux, Unix, Solaris machines, and you have a central backup server. And this server controls everything and backups your data.
All right, and the server itself, server part of it, can it be run on Windows, Linux, and anything else, or is it one platform bound?
So you have the server usually running on Linux, and the clients run on almost
On any operating system, yeah?
Sorry?
So clients run more or less on any operating systems.
Yes, right, yeah.
What about?
Including Raspberry Pi, for example.
Okay, that's good. So as you mentioned, Raspberry Pi, that means it's multi-platform
Yes, so we...
and multi kind of CPU thing. I mean, you can run it on ARM and on.
Yes. So we have repositories for almost every major Linux distribution, which we test automatically and publish regularly.
Is your software implemented in some specific distribution already, like Debian or Red Hat, or?
It's not included in Debian or Red Hat, but we have repositories ready for Debian, Red Hat, SUSE, and it's included in Gentoo Linux, for example.
All right, I need to check this out then.
Yes.
Okay. So, just to clarify, the quality of the software itself, is it deployment ready?
Yes, absolutely. We have the second stable release, half a year out, and we have customers from very small implementations, small and home office, up to financial companies who do transaction payment stuff, and they are regulated by financial authorities, and it scales very good from very small to really large companies.
So in other words, your software, well, in your opinion at least, is very trustable. I mean, if financial institutions...
Yes, absolutely, yes.
All right. How difficult is it to deploy it, in your personal opinion? Obviously...
It's very, very easy to do the first steps because we have a step-by-step tutorial. So with two commands, one for subscribing to the repository and one for installing the software, gets you an up and running Bareos backup server, which backups itself. And then, of course, it gets a little bit more complicated. You have to install the client software on the clients and adjust the configuration on both sides. But all these steps are documented step by step in our tutorial. So kind of skilled Linux administrator won't have any problems.
Okay, good. And I'm not sure if I asked this question or not. The backup itself implemented on which level? Is it backing up file system? Is it backing up files? Is it making some other type of backup?
Basically, it's a file backup. So you configure what to back up by defining so-called file sets. So you say, take this directory or this subdirectory or this file. So you can make your life easy. You just say file set include slash. This will back up all your computer, except stuff like network file systems, for example, which will be automatically excluded. And we also have some plugins, for example, to back up Microsoft SQL databases and do point-in-time recovery. And you can add all kind of scripts and plugins to do actions before or after you back up some application stuff.
What about versioning? Does it support versioning yet? Will it support it?
Yes, you mean versioning of files. So, for example, most people do a full backup at the beginning of the month and then incremental backup every day. And this will backup all files that have changed. And then you can, when you restore a file, select which date you want to restore. So, for example, if you overwrite a Word document or something, save it, and then you realize, I've deleted by accident 10 pages of my document, but yesterday they were in, even months before they were in, then you can just recover from that version that you have in the backup. So you have all the versions in your backup.
Thank you very much. That was very interesting.
Okay, you're welcome.
Goodbye.